Aditi. Okay, good. Yes. See, in last class, yes, wait here. I have given you one question, no? To complete that PV graph, I have given you one question. I'm going to that question now. Yeah, see here. I told you to try to draw PV graph and send it to me. I said only Amruta she has drawn and she has sent. Nana. What about remaining students? Only Amruta has drawn. What about remaining students? Now let us draw PV graph. PV graph. Let us draw, Nana. Let us see how it will be. See, PV graph we want. Okay. Here volume let us take. Here pressure let us take. Okay. Now see in the process A to B, what happened, Nana? See there. The process A to B, temperature is constant. See there. Here. See. In the process A to B, temperature is constant. Clear? Yes. When temperature is constant, PV graph, it will be rectangular hyperbola. It will be like this. PV graph will be like a rectangular hyperbola. Start from the middle. Okay. Now, what happened to pressure and volume? See here, pressure is increasing and volume is decreasing. So, arrow mark will be like this. Here is A, here is B. Clear? Okay. Yes. So, this is what it has happened. The process is going like this. Rectangular hyperbola like this. Clear? Because pressure is increasing, volume is decreasing. Okay. Now, see B to C what happened? B to C, pressure is constant. Pressure constant means a horizontal line. Pressure constant means we should draw a horizontal line. Yes, horizontal line I have drawn. Now, what happened to temperature and volume? See, volume is increasing. So, volume increasing means arrow mark should be this side. So, this we can say C. This is B. This is A. We came to point C. Now, C to A process, what happened? C to A process, volume is constant and pressure is decreasing. Volume constant, pressure decreasing. Means the process should be like this. Yes. Clear? Yes. The point A you take here. Yes. This will be the graph. Okay. Amruta, she has sent perfect graph. Remaining, no one sent to me except Amruta. Important, Nana, if you see previous year questions, this type of questions they are asking. That's why I'm teaching you this. Otherwise, this chapter is finished already. Okay, na? Clear? This one. Now, let us go to one more question. Okay. new sheet I'll take. Yes. Now, question I am giving. See, I am giving you one PT graph. Let us take one PT graph. Again, pressure and temperature graph only let us take. And this PT graph, I am giving you like this. See, graph I am giving you like this. Wait, I'll redraw this. Yes. Let us suppose there is a process which is going like this from A to B, C, and D. This is a process. Now for this process, you draw corresponding V versus T and PV graphs. Let us draw this. Okay, clear? Yes. Now, so before drawing this one, let us see what happened in the process AB, BC, CD, and DA in this graph. Okay. First, let us see what happened to the processes. Okay. See in a process, A to B process. A to B process. What happened, Nana? See, observe carefully. A to B is a vertical line to the temperature. Means temperature is constant. Clear? And pressure is increasing. Correct? So when temperature is constant, pressure increases means what happened to the volume, Nana? As according to Boyle's law, when temperature is constant, pressure increases means volume should decrease. Clear? Yes. This is what it should happen in process A to B. Now, in the process B to C, what happened? In the process B to C, process B to C, it is a horizontal line to the P axis. Means pressure is constant. Correct? Yes. Pressure is constant. And what has happened here? Pressure is constant and temperature is increasing. Arrow mark C from B to C, temperature is increasing. Yes. As we know, in isobaric process, means when pressure is constant, and what is the relation between temperature and volume? When temperature increases, volume increases. Yes. Initially sending answers, good. Initial temperature increases, volume decreases, not volume also increases. Nana. See, PV is equal to nRT. That you will say when P is constant. nR constant. When temperature increases, volume also increases. Nana. Okay. Now, see the process. Yeah, I'll minimize this. Now, see the process C to D. C to D process, let us see. C to D process, if you observe carefully, again it is a vertical line. Means temperature is constant again. Yes, temperature is constant. But what happened to the pressure now from C to D? Pressure is decreasing. Yes, when pressure decreasing, what happened to the volume? Volume increases, definitely. Yeah. Clear? Okay. Now, D2A process, let us see. D2A process. In the process of D2A, again pressure is constant. And temperature is decreasing. Yes or no? Yes, arrow mark is that side, left side. That implies volume will decrease. Okay. Now for these four, we need to draw VT graphs. Okay. Yes. Let us draw VT graph for this. Let us draw VT graph for this ABCD process. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to draw VT graph. Video is lagging frequently. Okay. Anyhow, I'll send this JPG and at the same time I will upload the video. No problem. Adjust for today. And tomorrow I'll take, I'll change this position. Place I'll change. Okay. Bye. Now, VT graph. VT graph. Let us draw. Okay. Yes. Here T you take. Here volume you take. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Okay. Now, always whenever you are starting the graph, start from the middle. Okay. Yes, I am starting from here. I don't know whether to draw which side. Okay, up or down, right or left. Okay, starting from middle. Okay, process AB. What happened? Temperature constant. Temperature constant means vertical line. Draw one vertical line. Okay. Now what happened to the pressure? Pressure is increasing. Volume is decreasing. Volume decreases means arrow mark downside. Here you A take. Here you take B. Finished. AB over. Now B to C what happened? Check B to C what happened. B to C. Pressure is constant. When pressure is constant for VT graph, graph comes out to be passing through the origin. This is the origin. Graph comes out to be passing through the origin. Okay, sorry, this cross it came. I'll erase it. This should passes through the origin. Yes, it should go like this. Okay, just draw one line. Later we'll decide whether to draw up or down. Okay. Now pressure is constant. What happened to temperature? Temperature increases, volume also increases. Yes, our mark should be this side. This is B. This should be C. Okay. Somewhere here C. Let us assume. Now C to D. One more process. C to D. What happened, Nana? C. C to D. Again temperature constant. Again temperature constant. Okay, means vertical line to x-axis. Now what happened to the pressure and volume? See, volume is increasing. Means it should be upward like this. Vertical line, but it should be upward. Clear? Yes, temperature is constant. See, this is showing temperature constant. Pressure decreases, volume increases. Yes, that's why I'm explaining so many times. Very slowly I'm explaining. This is the reason. Abhay is asking, sir, these graphs are important for objective. Yes, that's why I'm explaining slowly. These are not there in your subjective, no? These only for objective. Okay. Already this chapter is finished. I am explaining these extra points. Okay. Yeah. Now, C to D I came. Now D to A, what happened? See, D to A process. Pressure is constant. Again, pressure constant means graph should start from origin. Graph should go from origin to D to A. Yes. Graph start from the origin. No. Cross it came. Yes. This line we have to draw like this. Yes. Okay, no? It should be perpendicular line and this should meet here. Okay, no? Okay, D2A process. Somewhere else here D is there. Otherwise, I'll make it very clear for you. Yes. Yes. Clear? So VT graph should appear like this. Got it? Any doubt in this? Students, any doubt in this? I'm waiting for your response. Yes. Good. Amruta, Nishal, Ami. Good, good. Now let us draw PV graph. Now let us draw PV graph. Okay. I'll minimize this so that we can see these all. Okay. I'll draw PV graph. I'll keep this one this side so that I can use these graphs as a reference. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to draw PV graph. PV graph. Here volume, here pressure, Nana. And this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay. So always you need to start the graph from middle. Okay. First AB process. What happened? Nana? See there, AB process. Temperature constant. Temperature constant for PV graph means it should be a rectangular hyperbola. Draw a rectangular hyperbola. Yes, I have drawn. I'll draw it very clearly. Yes. Okay. What happened to pressure and volume? Temperature constant, okay, but pressure is increasing, volume is decreasing. Yes, pressure is increasing, volume is decreasing. Means here is process A, B. It is going like this. Okay. Then what happened to BC graph? Pressure is constant and pressure is constant, temperature is increasing and volume also increases. Yes, pressure is constant, temperature increases means volume also increases. Yes, BC graph got. Clear? Next. CD graph, what happened? CD graph, again temperature constant. But this time, pressure decreases, volume increases. Temperature constant means rectangular hyperbola. Pressure decreasing, volume increasing. Yes, this is going to happen like this. Okay, we came to D point. Let us suppose. Now, D2A process. Again, pressure constant, temperature decreases. Pressure constant, temperature increases. Means it should go like this. Okay, that means I'll draw this one somewhat big. Yes, like this. This is D. Now D2A process. D2A process. This is A. Clear? Yes. This is PV graph for that given question. Any doubt in this? Did you understand, students? Okay, na? Any doubt in this? Got it. Okay, good. Now I'll give you one more last one question. Means these all important previously asked questions. That's why. Okay. Last one question. I am giving you question now. Again question. Okay. I am giving you question again. You try to draw this. Okay. X-axis, Y-axis, origin. Yes, let us take temperature x here, and here pressure only again same. Okay. Now the graph. Yeah. You take the process like this. Yes. A, B, C, D. One process is occurring. Okay. Now for this, draw corresponding VT and PT graph. Sorry, VT and PV graph. Draw corresponding VT and PV graphs. So first, what you need to do, Nana? First, write AB process what happened, BC process what happened, CD process what happened, DA process what happened. Write it in paper. I'll wait. Strength is very less. Students, are you understanding? Farah, how are you? Aditi? Devendra? How are you, sir? Okay, Aditi. Nandini? Muskan? Rani? Seema? Shreya Miskin? Soundarya? Suraj? Okay, okay, Abhay. See 1 or 2 times, huh? Nishal is sending message A to B in the process A to B. Pressure increases and volume decreases, sir, and temperature constant. Let's see diagram. Yeah, I'll write, Nana. You check all of you. A to B. What happened, Nana? Temperature constant first. Yes. See vertical line. Okay. And what happened to pressure? Pressure is increasing. Pressure increases means what happened to volume? Decreases. Yes. This is what will happen in A to B process. Good. Next, B to C process. B to C process. Pressure constant, no? Yes. Pressure constant. And what happened to temperature? Temperature is increasing. When temperature increases means volume also increases. Yes. Nishal, see. Pressure constant. Temperature increases means volume should increase. See, all right. PV is equal to nRT. N R, however, they are constant. P is constant. Means what is the relation between V and T? Yes, this is the relation. Temperature increases means volume also should increase. Clear? Students, are you getting? Constant. Now, C2D. This total thing is I'm explaining for this. Okay. Now, C2D process. What happened, Nana? C2D process. C2D. What happened? Again, temperature constant. And pressure is decreasing. That implies volume should increase. Good. Who is this? Abhay. Good. Very good, Abhay. Next, D2A process. What happened, Nana? D2A process. What happened? D2A. See, check this one. This is a line. D2A line is passing through the origin. Means what is constant? Volume is constant. Are you getting? Yes, someone sent message. Yes, Abhay. Good. Volume constant. Volume constant. What about pressure and temperature? What is happening to them? Pressure is also decreasing and temperature is also decreasing. See the diagram. It is going like this. Clear? This is the information that is there with us. Now, thing is, this all information we need to show in diagram. VT graph and a PV graph we need to draw. That's it. We'll get the answer. This information, did you understand? Students, did you understand this information? Yeah, time up. Yes. Now, that PT graph and PV graph you, sorry, VT graph and PV graph you drawn, na? And with this, this chapter, almost 99%, I have covered all the topics. And from tomorrow onwards, we will start oscillation chapter now. Oscillations chapter. And it is very important for your JEE students. JEE students, very important chapter. Na? Everyone should attend. Yes, yes, I'll draw. I am giving you information. Still 9 minutes is there, yes. But I'll draw now that remaining, okay? From tomorrow, I'll start new chapter oscillations and very important chapter for your JEE, Nana. And NEET also it is important. Okay? Don't miss. Okay. Now, VT graph, let us draw. With this information, I am going to draw VT graph. Okay? V versus okay. So first, let us draw margin. Here T, x-axis. Here volume, y-axis. Start from the center. AB process, temperature constant, means vertical line. Just draw one vertical line. Okay, vertical line, no? What happened to pressure? Pressure is increasing, volume is decreasing. Means volume decreases means arrow mark should be downward. Here A you take, here VT you take. Okay, AB process is over. Now, B to C. What happened? Pressure constant. See, this B to C, pressure is constant. Pressure constant means what should happen, Anna? Line should pass from the origin. Okay. What happened? Temperature is increasing, volume also increasing. Okay. It came to C point. Now, C to D, what happened, Anna? Again, temperature constant. Means vertical line. Up or down, let us check. Pressure is decreasing. Means volume increasing. Volume increasing means it is upward. It is upward. volume increasing. I came to point D. Okay. Now D to A process. Volume constant. Volume constant means what? Horizontal line to the volume axis. Yes, means draw one horizontal line for this, like this. This somewhat you extend. Means your A is here. Finish. This will be the process. Got it? Any doubt in this? How many of you drawn this one? I think so. Did you got similar diagram? See, diagram see, similarity see. Arrow marks reversed. Just arrow marks they have reversed. Correct? Rani raised hand. Why ma? Now let us draw PV graph. Yeah, someone sent photo. Good. 8971. Who is this? I don't know. Not save her number. Seema. Okay. Good, Seema. Good, Rani. Good. Let us draw PV graph now. Information I'll keep here. I'll draw here PV graph. Okay. So that it will be easy for me to draw. Huh? I'll draw PV graph now. Here volume, here pressure, y-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Yes. Now PV graph. No. Yeah. Start from the middle. Let's start from the middle. First, what happened? Temperature constant. Temperature constant means AB process. Temperature constant means it should be a rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Rectangular hyperbola. Fine. Pressure increasing, volume decreasing. Pressure increasing, volume decreasing. Means here process A, B is like this. Okay. Now B to C, what happened? Pressure constant. Pressure constant means horizontal line. Pressure constant means it is a horizontal line. Okay. Yes. Horizontal line. It should be like this. Okay. Wait. Arrow mark. Temperature increasing. Volume also increases. Arrow mark also perfect. Okay. Came to point C. Yes. Now C to D, what happened? C to D. Again temperature constant. Again temperature constant means again rectangular hyperbola. Why this is again rectangular hyperbola. C to D, again rectangular hyperbola. Okay. But what happened? Pressure decreasing, volume increasing. Yes, perfect. Pressure decreasing, volume increasing. Yes, perfect. Now D to A, you see. D to A. Volume constant. See. D to A process. Volume constant means it should be vertical line like this. Now these two should join. Means just extend this one. This one you extend it like this. Sorry, arrow mark should be upward. This is D, this is A. Yes. This will be your graph. If you want a perfect picture means you draw like this. Still perfect, I'll draw. Perfection I want. Okay. Rectangular hyperbola, A to B, B to C pressure constant, C to D again. Okay. Now volume constant. Yes. Here is your A. This is the process. Got it, students? How many of you got this one? And this one I will send you PPT to you. And tomorrow we will start new chapter, oscillations now. Okay, and it is important for your competitive exams. Okay, students. Okay, this is for today's class.